Business is harder than being an NBA or an NFL fucking football player. And the reason why I say it's harder is because you are in it every single day, 24/7. It doesn't matter what time it is or what day it is. If your business is not being treated properly, it will fail. Like business is playing at the highest level. There is no level higher. I feel like, yes, athletes, they work their ass off, they practice their jump shots, they do all this cool, amazing athletic shit, and they work really hard to do that kind of stuff. But business is a forever play, man. It's every day. How many times do now I know, okay, yeah, you guys are all gonna hit me up and be like, the fucking Kobe Bryants of the world and shit fucking do it 7 days a week and they practice, and then on top of practicing they have game days and all this other bullshit. But what if business is harder? What if business is harder than being an NBA or an NFL fucking football player? And the reason why I say it's harder is because you are in it every single day, 24/7. It doesn't matter what time it is or what day it is. If your business is not being treated properly, it will fail. And this is forever too. You're not going to just play for 10, 20 years, have a career, and then it be done. This is a forever deal. If you choose to be an entrepreneur, you're doing this shit forever, okay? You can't just, do it for 10 years and then, expect to have money for the rest of your life. It takes 10 years just to get the ball rolling, just to get to where you want to go. And so I'm so passionate about this subject because so many times in my business, and I'm sorry, it's getting dark here, but so many times in my business have I felt like everything is just gonna fucking not work. It's gonna die. There goes one of my competitors right there. I'm gonna take them out this year. So many times have I felt like things were impossible. So many times have I felt like I'm gonna go out of business, or I'm gonna have to let people go, or I'm gonna have to start over. What am I gonna do? And I've stopped getting anxiety. I've stopped because I trust me. I trust my production. I trust that I am able to go out there. Sorry, I came over here to the light so you guys can see me. But I've trusted my production now. I personally, I still get worried, I still stress out, and I still have to prioritize because I can't wear all the hats. I just can't. There's so many fucking hats to wear, and I can only delegate so fast. I'm not a bank, man. I'm one guy with one bankroll that literally has funded this entire business from $500 when I started my company. $500 I had in my pocket, and I went door to door asking people to let me clean their solar panels for $100 to $200 a pop. I've taken that $100 that I've gotten from the solar panels, rolled it over into equipment, then doubled up and went back out to the marketplace, knocked some more doors, got more $100 accounts, and then continue to work my way up from there. Then I moved on to large commercial contracts, started getting bigger projects. And when I got into large commercial contracts, I realized that's how my business could really explode, because I could do one project that's $140,000. They could pay me over 4 months, which is like 20 grand a month, or I could get a $5,000 deal or a $10,000 deal and be paid within 5 days. That changed everything because I could take that cash flow and I could roll it into my business. And so right now you're asking me, John, you're asking yourself, this thing's fucking hard. I know, dude. I'm fucking dealing with it right now. This shit's fucked up. Business is hard, man. But we didn't get into business because it's fucking easy. We got into business because we wanted to win.